Hello, my name is Anna Lily Burrows. I go by Lily, and this is my Community Health Methods Spring Semester 2022 Introduction. I was born and raised in Guatemala City and live in Leamington, Utah. This is my original family. Here I'm at the right, the youngest of four. And this is my current family. My husband and I married in Guatemala and had 3 babies there, 2 of which were stillborn. And my 3 youngest were born in Utah, and funny thing, they were all breech. They had to be turned before they were delivered. And my husband had worked as a tour guide and tour director for many years in Guatemala before we moved back to the States. That's one of our outings there, after hiking a volcano. One of my interests is exercising, swimming, walking, and biking. Also, I love school, psychology, and plant-based cooking. Russell M. Nelson has been one of my favorites leaders, and in this quote from April 2008, he says, "Throughout the world, the family is increasingly under attack. If families fail, many of our political, economic, and social systems will also fail." I got a glimpse of that when we were studying paragraph by paragraph the Family a Proclamation to the World last year in BYU Pathway. I really enjoyed doing that. With my experience, I've always worked as a secretary and many years for the church and for other entities, and I really want to help people gain the knowledge of how to live a healthier life, especially after losing my 2 babies. But I discovered this website, discoveringthewordofwisdom.com by Jane Birch, and I have written some articles for that. And with this class, I hope to gain the knowledge to empower people to make healthier living a priority at any age, and especially with how much natural foods we eat and how little we should be eating processed foods and fast foods and junk foods. And so that's one of my priorities. Thank you very much.